A lot of people want to protect their retirement with gold, but choosing the right gold IRA company can feel overwhelming. There's pressure, hype, and even misleading offers. So here's how to make a smart, confident choice fast. Step 1. Look at the spread between buy and sell prices. Step 2. Make sure they offer a clear buyback policy. And watch out for shady tactics like high pressure sales or free silver traps. If you want to shortcut the research, I've linked a free checklist in the description. I'll show you in a second. To make this easier, I use the company comparison checklist. It's a free guide with 5 must ask questions most people never think to ask. Like, is my agent paid on commission? What do real customers say when things go wrong? And is that free silver really free or a $10,000 mistake? This one guide can save you thousands and help you compare companies with confidence, not confusion. So if you're choosing Gold IRA company for retirement, download the free company comparison checklist. It's linked down below. It's the smartest way to avoid costly mistakes and make a confident decision.